In this video, I will show you how to post text and photos on Reddit. As you get on that fiction, the main point right here it is to go on the third selection right down or the create section with that plus icon. Just go tap on it, and right from here, if you want to post text and photos, first is you want to post text. You're gonna type, for example, hi world, and as you wanna simply post an photo site, you simply need to go image the first selection. As you get there, you need to allow all these permissions for that site, then select which photo is related on your interest. When you're ready, simply go next, then go add, go next, and you need to get where you want to post that selection. I'm gonna go to my profile, just go post. And yeah, right now it needs to take some time to upload to the main session of your profile the new sites of text and photos on your site.